shout hooray, hooray. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray. If you're happy and you know it, and your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray. Oh, no, no, oh boy.
Hooray!
Happy and you know it, 2 on 3.
Hooray!
If you're happy and you know it, 2 on 3. Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, then your face will
Pagod na, Miko? Hooray! Galing! Galing naman ni Miko!
that you're happy. Can you think of any others?
Hooray! Galing! Hooray! Galing talaga, Miko eh. Magaling talaga, hooray eh. Galing talaga eh. Galing talaga ni Miko.
Well,
Saan si Pumo?
if you're a dog, you might wag your tail. Like this. Or if you were a cat, you'd purr when you were happy.
That gives me an idea for my happy day wish.
Oh?
I wish we can play the 3 little kittens. Beth and Mario and I can
Uy, love mo. Kiss mo yan, kiss. Bigay yan daddy, di ba?
be they can be our
Kiss
buddies.
mo.
Yeah, I can be your buddy. Hey, now wait a minute.
Remember, BJ, on Happy Day, we try to make everyone's wish come true.
Galing naman ni Miko sayaw.
Well,
Doon ka sa gitna, Meg. Sa gitna, ikaw. Doon ka sa gitna. Bili na, sayaw ka sa gitna. Ayan na, miyaw, miyaw. Bili na.
Here we go. Oh, 3 little kittens.
Dance na, dance. Ayan na.
There you are.
Tsaka sa gitna.
meow, meow.
Bili.
Oh.
Sa gitna, ka gitna. Sayaw ka, bili.
Kitty.
Dance. Ganyan ba dance mo? Apo.
Little kittens, they lost their mittens and they began to cry.
Ganyan ba dance?
Oh, mother dear, see here.
Galing naman sa maya mo.
Daw kasi yung pusa. Diba, be?
Meow, 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 meow. Galing naman ni Miko. Galing.
Oh,
Doon ka sa gitna. Sayaw ka sa gitna.
kittens are feeling sad. 3 little kittens, they found their mittens and they began to
Gusto niya
cry.
dun sa isa. Pwede ba i-back yung sa yung kanina? Gusto niya talaga yun.
Oh, wag ka manilip.
Manila.
Dance lang.
Good.
Dance.
Little kittens put on their mittens and soon ate up their pie.
Ito naman pinagalitan.
Hindi naman na. Wala naman ako. Hindi naman kita pinagalitan na. Dance na lang. Dance na lang. Ikaw
Balik mo
dance.
daw din sa kanina.
Gusto mo yung kanina, Barney?
Balik mo daw yung kanina sa kanta. Gusto niya yun eh.
To sigh.
If you